Scrap cars are bulky and difficult to handle, store, and transport. The scrap car baler is designed to turn these large vehicles into compact, high-density bales. With forklift loading and a large loading chamber, scrap cars can be processed efficiently. The powerful hydraulic system then applies strong compression force, reducing the volume of bulky scrap and creating dense bales for easier handling and recycling. Once compression is complete, the finished bale is quickly ejected from the chamber. Each compact bale is easier to handle, store, and transport, helping make the recycling process more efficient. From bulky scrap cars to dense, manageable bales, ENERPAT provides a powerful solution for efficient scrap metal recycling.